What if feeling cold could be a thing of the past? We give you Polar Seal. Instant heat at the touch of a button. Select from 3 different warming levels and activate 2 separate or combined heating zones. Now, you can feel warm in winter and all year round. Easy to use, Polar Seal heated tops have been tested in demanding alpine conditions. Made from flexible and lightweight material, Polar Seal heated tops are breathable and water resistant, which makes them ideal for sports such as cycling, skiing, hiking, and for exploring the great outdoors. Polar Seal tops can be worn on their own or under bigger outer layers. They're also great for relaxing and keeping you warm on chilly days. Polar Seal brings you heat on demand and comfort in adventure. Polar Seal will keep you warm for up to 8 hours on a single charge and is available for men and women in a range of colors and sizes. Polar Seal.
Smart home technology is establishing a presence in our everyday lives. From simple thermostat comfort and energy efficiency to more elaborate security and home automation. But the question is, where to begin? With any new technology boom, there are always going to be several competing devices. Wouldn't it be great if there was just one device that had the capability to work with all devices? We'd like you to meet Swidget.
What better way to get your smart home started than with something as familiar as an outlet? Swidget is not an ordinary outlet. Installed using only the existing wiring in your home, Swidget provides you with an endless suite of inserts that allows you to tailor your needs to the technology you choose. This puts you in control, now and in the future. Here's how it works.
We built the Swidget outlet to have the same look and feel as a regular wall outlet. Alone, the Swidget outlet will work and operate as if it were a normal outlet. The real magic of the Swidget comes from the insert. The Swidget inserts are the pieces that can bring to life the smart home application you already love or have yet to imagine. Containing all of the smarts, the insert also connects to your smart home's network, whether it's Wi-Fi, Z-Wave, or any others.
Think of the Swidget outlet as the smartphone and the inserts as apps. The smartphone provides all the resources common to all apps, but doesn't do a lot on its own. But the millions of apps available on it enables the smartphone to do all the things we love. What happens when technology changes? What happens when your home changes? You can simply replace or rearrange inserts in a snap. There are a ton of great smart home products, and the intent of smart home technology is to make our lives easier. But easier shouldn't mean more clutter. Many current devices choose ease of installation over aesthetics. A nightlight doesn't need to stick out from your wall. A temperature sensor doesn't need to go on your dresser. A carbon monoxide sensor should be low to the ground. A motion sensor shouldn't be visible. An outlet should be controlled from within. This is why we created Swidget.
As early adopters of smart home technology, we see the confusion around multiple platforms and the rapid evolution of products. And it's not going away anytime soon. We want to solve that.
As we've been dreaming up all of the Swidget insert possibilities, we've realized that we can't and don't want to do it all alone. Swidget is a powerful platform that enables others to get into the ever-expanding smart home market or create an easy in-wall application for your existing smart home technology. We want to encourage and enable the development of inserts by others.
You parked your car somewhere you feel really uneasy about, but you really need to make it to that meeting with a client. Where's your car? Is it on 6th Street? Could it be 7th? Or maybe you didn't see that sign. Yeah, that sign. There's a lot of unexpected things that can happen to you in your vehicle.
So don't you wish there was a way to record 24/7 and be alerted when an incident occurs?
Wayland's introduces the Secure 360, a camera that can monitor and record a full 360-degree field of view so you know what's happening in and around your vehicle no matter where you are. When the camera's sensors detect motion, impact, or even a change in GPS coordinates, Secure 360 will immediately notify you through the mobile app and simultaneously record video to the cloud. So here's how it works. The camera system actively scans the perimeter of your vehicle using a suite of advanced low-power sensors. We've combined radar, a 3-axis accelerometer, as well as 3-axis gyro for weeks of non-stop event detection without draining your car battery. The Secure 360 is designed for any vehicle and every driver, from the daily commuter to rideshare services or families with young drivers. You can locate your car quickly with a GPS map. Check in with an elderly driver. Protect your driving record. Or catch a thief in the act. So even if this happens, you'll have evidence to provide authorities and your insurance company.
all over the globe. The energy used for air conditioning is increasing rapidly. In the US, almost all of our homes have AC, and consider that the AC use in the US generates 117 million tons of CO2 each year. It's a big problem, but energy problems are complex, hard to fix, and usually end up costing the consumer more. Well, Mistbox is a simple solution that helps you reduce the environmental impacts of cooling your home while saving you money in the process. Mistbox installs to your existing AC unit in just minutes, bringing the benefits of evaporative cooling, proven in industrial applications for decades, right to your home.
Our new design incorporates modular components, proprietary technology, and a smart learning algorithm that continually adapts to optimize savings. At the core of the control unit is a unique combination of sensors, allowing Mistbox to function completely free from wiring. A powerful logic board with integrated cellular connection provides Mistbox with a direct, secure, seamless communication channel. This marks a huge step forward for connected devices by eliminating the need for clumsy setup and unreliable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. To ensure the water mist is safe for your air conditioner, we've developed a water treatment system with leading experts in the field. And to allow Mistbox to operate autonomously, we have created a wind turbine generator that charges Mistbox whenever your AC is running. By monitoring AC usage and the environment around your unit, Mistbox continuously optimizes its performance to maximize savings. And you can track all of this information right in our app. We've partnered with a Tier 1 manufacturer, which will allow us to meet demand and deliver the product later this summer.
Independent third-party studies have proven that Mistbox can save 20 to 38% of energy costs. We want Mistbox to be affordable for everyone, so we're offering Mistbox as a service for just $99 a year. Your subscription covers the hardware, cell service, replacement water treatment cartridges, and a lifetime warranty. And we're offering our Kickstarter backers the opportunity to get started with no activation fee and a monthly payment of just $10. This way you'll save money from the very first month. With Mistbox, we're making it easier than ever to save money while making a positive impact on the environment. Help us make a meaningful difference by subscribing today.
Meet Clix. It's the first magnetic phone mount that uses software to make your in-car experience more seamless. Clix connects to your phone using low-energy Bluetooth. Once connected, the Clix app automatically launches, opening up Waze or Google Maps. You can customize the app with different widgets, such as Spotify or weather. And the app is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. Place the Clix mount on an air vent or anywhere using our 3M tape mount. Clix uses safe magnets to secure your phone by connecting to the magnetic plate you place on the back of your phone. And the magnets are strong enough to hold your phone through regular street turns, speed bumps, or the toughest off-road terrain. Once parked, Clix will pin your car on the map, so you'll always know where you left it. Clix is beautifully designed and comes in a variety of colors. Gain a minute daily with Clix.
At Free Designs, we believe that timing and the choice of equipment are two important ingredients for an amazing photo. And changing lenses is an important part of the creative process. But as we all know, it sucks. And we were sick of dropped lenses, bulky camera bags, and running around with multiple camera bodies. So we created the Tri-Lens. The Trilens lets you carry up to 3 different lenses at the same time, and changing your glass has never been faster. No matter your lens combination, the center of gravity will automatically adjust to be as low as possible, and the auto friction mechanism will keep the Trilens stable when walking or running. In order to use the Trilens, you simply attach the housing to the belt clip using the quick release. Remove the lens from the camera, attach it to an empty slot on the Trilens. Find your desired lens, and then finally just drop the lens cap on an empty slot on the Trilens. This protects your lenses from dust, and you'll never misplace your lens caps again. My name is Jonas Lundin. I'm a photographer, engineer, and the inventor of the Trilens. I started out in mechanical engineering, developing 3D printers, where I was actually one of the first ones to build a 3D printer using an iPad and some UV lights. But it's really in photography where my heart is at, and as a photographer and videographer I own dozens of beautiful lenses, and they all serve their own unique purpose. But I used to avoid changing lenses because I was afraid I might miss a moment at a wedding, or I didn't want to make the crew wait during a photo shoot. So I kind of got stuck in this dead end where I didn't develop any personal look or feel in my photos. So I decided to develop the Trilens. Because what's the point of having all that fancy glass if it's just going to be stuck in your bag? My lenses are my babies, and that's why I designed the Trilens to be extremely safe. It's rated for loads up to 100 kilograms, and the safety pins will make it impossible to remove the lenses without pushing and twisting simultaneously.